So mao ni nabasa ni sa tubig o nay tubig ning agi ani.
Agi nagbasa dai no.
So mo ni hinungdan nga mo ni ang hinungdan sa pag bolt sa wiring. Ano sa lan ni natabo te? Gabi eh. 12. So mo na to ilisan ron. Ilisan ta ning circuit breaker. Dari na to start. Sinawi live wire pa na siya. Sa singaning nga sitwasyon, so kailangan ingat ta kay once nga ang live ani mo dikit diri sa metal. So may posibilidad nga maurite. Oh, di kuan siya kanang ungrounded na siya kay tungod sa tubig.
Kanang nangasunog na kuan tungod sa iyang grounding.
Oh, kay nag-fault man. Nag-fault ang wire diri sa metal niya, conductor man eh. So, mangorente na siya.
Siya, ato extension lang kung dudong nimo siya.
So, muna ito replace ron. So, unsa pa ning mga 90 na ning kurente eh?
1999.
So, 1999 pa ni no?
99 pa na siya.
So, muna yung mga design sa unang panahon. Two wire system. Sige, muna na ilang breaker. Okay. Pati lang akong gihimo ko. Ana. Wala naman ni kurente. Ganina, live wire pa ni, maak mo ni.
Maak?
Oo. Toasted na kayo. Mura ka ng crispy sa Jollibee ba?
Crispy kayo?
Oh, crispy na yung wire. Oh, toasted. Mura siya nungdan sa magkadugay na.
Dugay na no?
Gawas ko. Ana, asar kay ko lang. Yung savings mo na? Dugay na yung savings mo?
Oo.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope. Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can try me. If you wanna hate bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in
me